In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up conditional options per properties on HubSpot. To do that, first head over right here into your gear icon, which is your settings. Once we have done that, you just need to head over and select the object that you want for the conditional logic. Now, let's head over and scroll down for this first and locate the property that we want. So here, click on Properties. Now, once you're in there, you just need to head over and then select in here what you want to actually edit for the conditional options. For example, let's edit right here our annual revenue. Click on this. Now, onto this part, next thing we need to do is access the conditional logic tab for this case. Like for example, let's head over right here into the rules tab for this. Now, add right here a logic, like for example, you can use via custom rules, input right here the custom rule widget, or you can also generate one with AI. Input here invalid message, test custom rules, and the likes. Once you're done, head over and save. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up on HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.